Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 10 or even Windows 11, and I'm going to also show you how to actually use it. So first things first guys, what you want to do is click on your start button, right? Click on the start button and then search for create a restore point. And then you're going to see that option that says system properties. You want to click on that and then you're going to come to this window right here. Okay, you're going to come to this system properties window, and then I'm going to be showing you just what we are going to need to be doing, guys. All right. So here, guys, what we're going to need to do is come here and click on the Systems Protection tab. Click on this tab right here, Systems Protection window, and then you're going to see a bunch of different options opening up. What you're going to do is come and click here on Create, guys. Click on Create, and then what you're going to need to do, guys, is set up a name. They're going to ask you to put a name. You can put a name like, before installing ABC software, whatever your software was called. Then just click on create and you're going to see this pop-up message. Just click on close and OK. Okay. Now, once this is really simple, right? Creating the system restore. Now, how do you actually recover the computer using this system restore in your Windows 10 or 11? So you want to do click on start again, and then you want to search again for create a restore point. And then you want to open the settings that says system properties. Now, in the systems properties window right here, this tab right here, what you want to do, guys, is you want to come over and click on systems protection. So you want to click on system restore right here. So what you want to click on, guys, click on this option right here, system restore. And if the system restore option is disabled, guys, there are no system restore checkpoints available on the computer. That means you have never set up a system restore. Okay. Now, what you want to do is click on system restore, and then you're going to come to this pop-up window. Just click on next right here. All right. And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to actually, select a restore point to revert the changes and fix the problem. So what you need to do, guys, is actually select the restore point when the computer was working without any issues. So you just select from this list one of the options, and then you want to click on this option right here, guys, scan for effective programs. So you click on one of the options. For example, you click on before installing ABC software, and then click on run, scan for effective programs, and effective programs to confirm which apps and drivers will actually be removed because they were actually added, before or like actually after creating the restore point, guys. So just do that. So it will scan and it will identify the list of programs and drivers that actually, were deleted during the system restore process. And the image here. Look. Now, what you want to do, guys, is click on close, and then you want to click on next to begin. You want to choose which restore point you want, and then you want to begin restoring the system files and settings, guys. You're going to do that, and once this is done, guys, it'll ask you to confirm your restore point. If this is okay with you, then you can just click on finish, and basically it is that simple, guys. You are basically done to do your restore point on your Microsoft Windows 10 or 11, guys. It's literally that easy and simple. If the video helps, make sure you hit that like button. If you have still any questions, guys, you can leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try to help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe so I can see you in the next one. Subscribe, guys. Come on.